And we are making some Pina Coladas. Ignore that noise. She's trying to get comfy in there. She was eating stuff, so I didn't want her eating stuff while I was doing this video. What are we watching, right? Okay, so let's get right to it. Pina Colada. Okay, so there's 1 cup of frozen pineapple, all right? And then we have half a cup of some coconut milk, and then we have some coconut cream. We have a 1/4 cup of that, okay? And what you do is you just mix it all together.
Don't ever put it
Whoa, dropping stuff. Okay. Put it in, and we're going to mix it up now. Now this is frozen pineapple, so you don't need ice. If they weren't frozen, you put ice to it to get that little like slushy feel to it. But here we go. You ready? So it is still just a little bit chunky because of the pineapple. But I'll bring it over so you guys can actually kind of see what it looks like. So it looks like a Pina Colada. Now with this, you would now then put some rum in it, white rum in it. And if you want a cocktail, if you want a mocktail, you can just drink this up just like this without the rum in it. So that's how you make it. No added sugar to it, because those Pina Colada mixes at the store are just like filled with sugar. They add sugar to it, right? So this is a great healthier way to make your Pina Colada, and you get some great healthy fats with it, right? So this is our drink for today.